welcome to MrsCottonCandy's Darling Life. Hello there, my darlings. I hope you're all doing well and having a lovely evening. I'm going to say evening because where I'm at, it's evening. So I'm all somewhat dressed up, not too fancy, but sort of fallish, summerish. I have this dress. It's from H&M. I got from H&M a while back, and I'm not sure where I got this necklace. I think some from Le Chateau, I think. And my ring, I've shown you this ring before. This was from Italy. And these boots I've had for a while. They're little booties. I think I got them from Walmart. And my new glasses. These are Ted Baker glasses, and they actually have like lenses in them. Yeah, lenses. And I'm going out to celebrate my 10-year anniversary with my lovely husband. And I'm so excited. We're going out to dinner. We're going to Ramekins, and I've taken you guys there before. We've had some breakfasts there. We've never had dinner there before. So come with us and come celebrate our 10-year anniversary. Oh, I'm so excited. And thank you to my husband. Thank you so much for 10 years. I love you so much from the bottom of my heart. You have no idea. And thank you for putting up with me for all these years. We've actually been together for 13, but been married for 10. So come with us.
It's okay, Lovey. I love you too, more than words can say. Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
Love you.
Beautiful. Caesar to drink. And Robert got coffee. Let's have cheers. 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 Nice Caesar salad.
Oh, yeah, that's the way it is. That's nice. That's the way I used to make it. It's real.
Pork schnitzel, mashed potatoes, and some veggies. Robert's having it. And this is mine. I got the New York sirloin with vegetables and fries. I'll have to give some of that to Rob because I see an onion there. It looks really good.
I'm probably going to spend a while looking for the sauce.
caramel.
Do you know what I want?
I'd like the chocolate.
Chocolate cake in for you?
I like that, but I think I'm gonna go with the lemon.
Robert got lemon meringue. Really good. I got the chocolate. Chocolate cake. Yum, yum, yum.
That's good.
We had a wonderful dinner out at the Ramekins. It was wonderful. Gorgeous, the sunset.